Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to change your space display picture on Gmail. If you're looking to personalize your space with a fun emoji, you're in the right place. Let's get started with the steps. First, open the Gmail app on your Android device. Once you're in, look for the Chat tab at the bottom of your screen and tap on it. Now, it's time to open the specific space you want to update. You'll see the space name at the top. Go ahead and tap on that. Next, look for the pencil icon at the top right corner and give it a tap. This is where the fun begins. Now, select the emoji icon to choose an emoji that represents your space. Browse through the available options and pick the one you want to set as your display picture. Once you've selected your emoji, don't forget to tap Save at the top right corner to confirm your changes. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your space display picture on Gmail. It's that simple to add a personal touch to your chats. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy tips.